This is the second part of the graph 4, and in this part we will solve the exercise 1 from the graphs 4. You can see the page number 262 in your textbook. There is the question number 1. It's draw a graph for each equation after completing a suitable table between the stated x values. And the first question is y equals to x square plus 2 for minus 3 is less or equal to x is less or equal to 3. So what is the question? We have given equations. We have to complete the first table. Suitable table. The values of the x are given here, stated. So it is here the range. So the values of x we have to take as per the question. That's minus 3 to 3. Like minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then for every value of x, we will find the corresponding value of y. Let's see how to do this. I will write here the solution. Here I will draw the box table and I will put here the values of x in the first row and values of y I need to put in the second row. Values of x I know which values I have to take as per the range given. That's minus 3, then minus 2, then minus 1, then 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. So you can understand I have taken the x values from this range from minus 3 to 3. So I have written here in the first column x and first column first row. You can see x values here. Now I will find the value of y corresponding to this value. Corresponding to this value, I will find the values of y. Then I will complete the table. You can see I have the equation y is equal to x square plus 2. So first I will put x is equal to minus 3. This is minus 3 square plus 2. You can see what I am doing. I am substituting the value of x as minus 3. And here I am calculating the value of y at this point. It is 3 3s are 9. Minus into minus is plus. 9 plus 2 which is equal to 11. So I can write here the 11. So at point at when x is minus 3, at that time y is 11. Now next I will check at minus 2. Y is equal to x square plus 2. This is the equation. Now I will substitute the value of x minus 2. It's x square, so minus 2 square plus 2. 2 2s are, it's 4 plus 2 which is equal to 6. So I will put here 6. Now next y equal to x square plus 2. This is the equation given here. Now I will put the value of x square as 1 square plus 2. 1 1s are, it's 1 plus 2 which is equal to 3. So here it is the 3. Now I will calculate the value for x is equal to 0. So y is equal to x square plus 2. In place of x I should put the 0 square plus 2. 0 square is 0 plus 2, so it is only the 2. So I will write here the 2. Now I will calculate the value for here for 1. I will write y is equal to x square plus 2. In place of x I have to write the 1 square plus 2. It's 1 1s are 1 plus 2. Its value is 3. Now again for 2 I have to calculate y is equal to x square plus 2. In place of x I will put 2. It's 2 square plus 2. 2 square is 2 2s are 4 plus 2. Then it is 6. So I will put here the 6. Now the last one is y is equal to x square plus 2. So in place of x I will put 3 plus 2. 3 3s are 9 plus 2. It is 11. So here it's once again the 11. Now you can see what I did. The question was y is equal to x square plus 2 for minus 3 is less or equal to x is less or equal to 3. So the values we have to take for the x, it is given in this range. So I wrote here minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then for every value I have found the value of corresponding value of the y. You can see when x was minus 3, I substituted the value of x as minus 3, then I got 11. And similarly, when x is minus 2, then I got y is equal to 6. When x is minus 1, then I got 3, y is equal to 3. And similarly, all values I got. So the best thing here to understand is that first check the equation. What is the equation? Then check the range. And after checking the range, we will write the values of x. Then for every value of x, we have to find the corresponding value of the y. So now our points are minus 3, 11, minus 2, 6, minus 1, 3, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 11. These are the points which we have to plot on the graph, and we will get the parabola for this equation, because this is quadratic curve. So we will get the parabola. Now I will plot the points on the graph. I will draw here. You can see here my x points are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So on the left side of the 0, I have to take these points. On the right side, this. And y, on the y-axis, I don't have any negative number. So what I will do here, I will write like this. I will draw here like this. Now you can see here. Then I will draw x-axis like this. But you will have the graph paper. You can do it accurately. Just I am giving you the information, a guidelines how to draw the graph. Here, this is the y-axis and this is x-axis. This is the 0. Here you can see we have to take the values till 3. So it's 1, 2 and 3. It's enough. Minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Here we have to take the values till 11. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 8, it's 9, it's 10, it's 11. Now the first point is my x, on x-axis it's minus 3, on y-axis it's 11. So on x-axis minus 3, then 11. You can see here is this point. On x-axis minus 3, then 11. Next minus 2, 6. So minus 2 is here and 6 is here. Next minus 1, 3. Minus 1 and 3 is here. Next 0 and 2, so it's here. And next 1 and 3, so 1 is here and 3 is here. And next 2, 6, 2 is here and 6 is here. Next, that's 3, 11. So once again here 3, 11. So I will get a curve like this. This is the parabola for the given equation. You can see here, what is here? Here is the y-intercept. It is 2. What is y-intercept? It is 2. X-intercept is not there. So we can say there is no solution. That's no real solution for this equation. There is no real solution for this equation. That's it. Now you can see the question number 3. From the same exercise, it's y equals to x square plus x plus 2 for minus 3 is less or equal to x is less or equal to 2. You can see here the range is given. It is minus 3 to 2. So the x values we should take here from minus 3. That's minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. These are the x values we are taking from the range. Now for every value of the x, we will find the value of the y. Like that we have this time equation y equals to x square plus x plus 2. Now here I will put first x is equal to minus 3. That's minus 3 square plus minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 into minus 3 it's 9. Plus into minus is minus 3 plus 2. Now I can do 9 plus 2 is 11. Then minus 3, it is 9. Sorry, it's 8. So here it's 8. Now next, once again, y is equal to x square plus x plus 2. What is the value of x here? Minus 2 square plus minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 it's 4 plus minus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So here it is 4. Now once again I will put here y is equal to minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 2. Here there is no need to write the equation. If you remember the equation, directly we will put the value of x. What the value we need to put here? It's 1 plus minus plus 2. I can write 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. So here it is 2. Now y equals to 0 square plus 0 plus 2. So it's only the 2. Here we will get 2. Now one more, y is equal to 1 square plus 1 plus 2. You can see 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Here it's 4. Now last one is y equals 2 square plus 1 plus 2. Sorry, 2 square plus 2. In place of x, we are putting 2 square, 2 plus 2. It's 2 to the 4 plus 4, which is called 8. So these are the values. These are the corresponding values of y for every value of x. So for when x is minus 3, we are putting this minus 3 in this equation, we are getting 8. Y is equal to 8. When x is equal to minus 2, y's value is what? 4. At x is equal to minus 1, y is 2. At x is equal to 0, y is 2. At x is equal to 1, y is 4. At x is equal to 2, y is 8. You can see we have solved these all values. We have substituted the values in the given curve, or we can say in the given equation, and we found the value of y, the respective value of the y. Now we will plot a graph for these values. This is x-axis horizontal and this is y-axis the vertical line. Here it is 0. You can see here it's here till here it's enough. Here I will extend it. It's here 1, 2. Only we need 2. Here it's minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. This is x-axis here. And y we need, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now see how to plot the points. X is equal to minus 3, so here on horizontal, and y is equal to 8, then straight to 8 here. X is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 4, that's here. X is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2, that's here. X is equal to 0, that's here. And y equals to 2, so that's here. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, that's here. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 4, that's here. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 8, that's here. Now you can see here how to draw the curve. It should be like this. This is the rocket parabola for this. You will use the graph paper and it will be accurate. Don't draw the line segments. It should be a curve. It should be a complete curve, the parabola. Now here you can see the y-intercept is 2. Y-intercept is 2. Now we will solve the exercise 2. You can see the page number 265 in your textbook. The question number 1 is the graph of y is equal to x square minus x minus 6 is shown. So it's question number 1. Graph of the curve y is equal to x square minus x minus 6. It is shown in the figure. You can see there is a graph. Use it to find the solutions to. So we have to use the graph to find the solution of the equation x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. You can, in the first video I have explained this is curve, quadratic curve, and this is the quadratic equation. When we are equating it 0, when we are writing equal to 0, then it becomes the quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation will have the solutions. How many solutions it will have? 2 solutions, and these also are called the two roots. Now you can see the graph. In the graph, see the x-intercepts. We have -2 and 3. They are the x-intercepts on the graph. Now it means we can write directly x is equal to -2, x is equal to 3 are solutions of x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. This is only the answer. So you have to understand the x-intercepts are only the solutions of the quadratic equation. Now there is a question. If we have like this, the graph is like this, and here there is only one x-intercept. For example, 1. I will keep here it's 2. It's here 1, it's 0. It's 1, 2, it's 3, it's 4. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. You can see here is only the 2. That means it has only the one number solution. So we can say here it has the 2 solutions. That is x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. Or I can write x is equal to 2, 2. Because here it intersects only one, x-intercept is only 1. We can say there is only one number, the solution, but we have to write x is equal to 2. These are because every quadratic equation will have the 2 solutions. So here y-intercept is what? It's 4. Now one more. In the first video I have already explained this. If we have the graph like this, so this parabola is not intersecting the x-axis. This is the x-axis, so there is no x-intercept. We can see here it will have no real solutions. We will check here the solution, whether they are the solutions or not. So x is equal to -1. I will take this LHS. What is LHS? Left hand side, x square minus x minus 6 equal to, in place of x I will put -2 square minus, in place of x I will put -2, it's -6. What I am doing, I am substituting here the value of x -2. The value of x -2. -2 it's 4. Minus into minus it's plus. It's 2 minus 6. 4 plus 2 it is 6 minus 6, which is equal to 0. So this expression is equal to 0, which is also the RHS. So hence it is proved. Now second value I will check. I have LHS x square minus x minus 6. Now I will put x as 3. It's 3 square minus, in place of x 3 minus 6. It's 3 3s are 9, minus 9 minus 3 minus 6. It is 0. So I can say hence this has been checked. How to check the solution? We will put the value of x here in LHS. It should become equal to the RHS. What is RHS? It is the 0. Once I substituted the value x is equal to -2, I got here the 0, and once I put it here the value 3, I got here the 0. This is the check. So we can say our solution is correct because we have checked it. See the exercise 2 star. In the first question it's y equals to 2x square plus x minus 1. This is first question, and its graph is shown there. Find the solution of 2x square plus x minus 1. You can see from the graph the x-intercepts are x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 1 by 2 are solutions of equation 2x square plus x minus 1. Now we will check. How to check? We will take the LHS. This is equal to 0. LHS is 2x square plus x minus 1. We will put first x is equal to -1. 2 into -1 square plus -1 minus 1. It's 2 into 1. 1 square is 1. Plus minus -1 minus 1. You got 2 ones are 2, -1 minus 1 minus 2. We got 0. So this LHS is 0, which is also equal to RHS. Now next, 2x square plus x minus 1. Now we will put x as 1 by 2. it's 2 into 1 by 2 whole square plus it's 1 by 2 minus 1. You can see it's 2 into 1 by 4. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. You can see it is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it's 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. You know 1 by 2 it's 1 minus 1, which is equal to RHS. So hence we have proved this LHS is equal to RHS. When we substitute the value x is equal to minus 1, we got 0 answer. When we put the value here x is equal to 1 by 2, then here 1 by 2 whole square, here in place of x 1 by 2, so we got 0, which is also the RHS. So we have proved these two numbers are the solution of this quadratic equation. I'm sorry, it was not visible. Now I wrote here 1 minus, it's 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that's 1. 1 by 2 is 1. 1, this minus, and 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Now we have proved this. Now exercise 2 star question number 4. This is very important. The above it is written the question, find the equations of these curves in the form y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Question number 4, you can see the graph is given there, only the graph is given. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. And the curve is like this. Here the x-intercepts are, it is 0 here, it's 1 and it's 5. And y-intercept is 5. What the question is asking us, you have to write the equation. You have to write the curve, we can say y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c in this form. That means we have to find the value of a, b and c. Value of a, b and c. You can see how we will do it. Check here what are here x-intercepts. First we will check here x-intercepts. Only we need x-intercepts. This is 1 and 5. So I can write directly x minus 1 into x plus 5. X minus 5. Cut. See here the x-intercepts. That's x-intercepts. That is 1 and 5. So we don't know the equation. What is the equation? But we know whatever the equation be, the roots are, the solutions are x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 5. So I can write x minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 5 equal to 0. So I can also write then x minus 1 into x minus 5 equal to 0. Now I can find here the equation. I can find here the equation. If I will expand it, I will get the equation. This is the general, a simple explanation. So what we should do, if we are asked to find the quadratic curve like this, so what we will do, we will see the x-intercepts. Then we will write simply x minus 1 into x minus 5. Then with this x, I will take this x, with this x I will multiply with x minus 5. Then with minus 1, I will write here minus 1, will multiply x minus 5. So first I will multiply this x to the x minus 5. Then I will multiply minus 1 to the x minus 5. So what is this? X into x is x square, minus 5 into x is 5x, minus 1 into x is minus x, minus into minus is plus 5. You can see this is x square, these two are the like terms. I will write minus 6x plus 5. So therefore I can write the answer is y is equal to x square minus 6x plus 5. This is the quadratic curve, a required quadratic curve, what we need to find. Only the solution is here, x minus 1 into x minus 5. If we know the x-intercepts, how to make it quadratic curve? It's very simple. Just do x minus 1 into x minus 5. Then expand this. this x should be multiplied to this whole term, then minus 1 should be multiplied to this whole term, then we should remove these brackets. X is multiplied to every term inside the bracket. This minus will change the signs inside the bracket. Then here you can see these are the like terms we can add up, and taking the minus sign, minus 6x plus 5. So we got here the value. You can see similarly from the fifth one, it's very easy. Now sixth one, I will show you there is only the one value. In sixth one there is only one value, it is 3. You can see the sixth one, it's like this. It is 3 here, and here it's 9. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Here what I will do, I will directly write like this, x minus 3, because I know x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3. They are the roots of that equation of which it is a graph. X minus 3 into x minus 3, that is first with x into x minus 3, then minus 3 into x minus 3. X into x is x square minus 3x, then minus 3x once again, minus into minus is plus, 3 3s are 9. You can see what I am doing. This x I am multiplying to each term inside the bracket. Then this minus 3x I am multiplying to each term inside the bracket. So it's x square minus 3x is minus 6x plus 9. You can see here y-intercept is 9. We are getting y-intercept 9. Also you can see in the fourth one, y-intercept is 5. We are getting 5 as y-intercept. So I can write y is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. This is about the sixth one. Now seventh one is also easy. Seventh one I will show you here. Seventh one, what is that? First intercept is minus 4 and the second is 4. So I should write x minus minus 1. First one is minus 1, second is 4. Then x minus 4. It will become x plus 1. Minus into minus is plus, x minus 4. Then with this x multiply the whole, x minus 4. This x I am multiplying to this term. Then plus 1, x minus 4. This is x square minus 4x plus x minus 4. You can see x square, this is minus 3x minus 4, because 4x minus 4x plus x is minus 3x. So y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. This is the solution of the question. Now you can see the question number 8. Y is equal to, for a is greater than 0 when the equation has two solutions, one solution and no solutions. It's very important and very easy. There is a curve, y is equal to x square plus bx plus c, and we have to sketch the graphs. We have to take out the graphs for this curve so that it will not have, first one, two solutions, one solution and no solutions. For the three conditions we have to draw the graphs. First thing is like this. We are drawing the graph. When the graph has two intercepts, x-intercepts, then it means it has, this is x, this is y. It means it has two solutions. And one more, when it has only one intercept, then it means it has one solution. This is x, this is y. And when it does not intersect the y-axis like this, it means it has no solution. Here you should understand it has no solution, but it has actually the imaginary solution that we are not writing here. Till your level you have to understand these things. But one thing is more important. A should be greater than 0, then the parabolas are like this. If A is less than 0, then the parabolas are inverted parabolas. That's why it has mentioned in the question A should be greater than 0. This was about the question number 8.